Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study using flashcards. Start by making your flashcards effective. Write a clear question or prompt on one side and the answer on the other. Keep it simple, focusing on one main idea per card. You can also add small drawings or diagrams to help your memory. This initial setup is crucial for an easy and efficient study session. Now let's talk about active recall, a powerful technique. When you look at a flashcard, try to remember the answer before you flip it over. Don't just glance, really think about it. Saying the answer out loud can also strengthen your memory. After attempting, sort your cards into two piles, one for concepts you know well and another for those you need to review more. Spaced repetition is key for long-term retention. Review your unknown pile much more often than your known pile. As you master cards, gradually increase the time between reviews for them. For example, you might review a known card after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. This method ensures you focus your effort where it's most needed, optimizing your study time. To maximize your flashcard study, keep these tips in mind. Study in short, focused bursts, maybe 15 to 20 minutes at a time, to maintain concentration. Always shuffle your cards to prevent memorizing the order instead of the content. And remember, flashcards are a continuous tool. Keep creating new ones as you encounter new information. Happy studying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.